Book widget help when a shared widget is listed as unfinished. So here is a folder in my BookWidget account. You'll notice this is level 8. I happen to be a Barton tutor, so that is what that reference is. These are all widgets that wonderful and gracious tutors have shared on Facebook. You will notice it says unfinished. When you download a shared widget to your account, you can't embed, share, or use it if it says unfinished. You'll also notice on the drop-down menu over here, the share option is not available. You'll notice that you can see the game and it looks finished. But if I want to share it, embed it on my mural board or anywhere else for use, I have to go over here and click the arrow that says Edit. Go up to the share at the upper right, click, and you'll see it is processing your widget. Please wait. Once that is complete, this share box pops up. I always unclick the Send Answers to Me box. And you can copy and paste the URL anywhere you want to access the widget. Hit the close in the upper right corner. Now you'll notice it no longer lists it as unfinished, but has a short code. You'll also notice now, when you go over to the drop-down menu, the Share button is now available to you. Again, I unclick the Send Answers to Me, and I can copy and paste the URL wherever I want it. A huge thank you to all the people who are willing to share their book widgets and collaborate with their colleagues. Please like, subscribe, and share. There's more book widget help videos at my channel, Ms. Jane's Tutoring and Dyslexia Services.